Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Masika Ifuru. Today I am here to do a review and wear test and comparison on the new Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. And I wanted to compare this new Makeup Forever foundation to one of my favorites, the Makeup Forever Watertone foundation. So if you'd like to see how these foundations apply, how they compare to each other, how they wear on my very oily skin for the entire day, please keep on watching. This is the Makeup Forever Watertone foundation. And this is the new Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. And I'm gonna go on the left side with the Makeup Forever Watertone Foundation and the new HD Skin Foundation. I'm gonna go on the right side of my face with this one. I am in the same shade with both of these. And I'm gonna start off with the Watertone Foundation just because I'm used to this one. And I'm gonna link the full review on this Watertone Foundation above if you haven't seen it. It blurred my pores on this side. This is the side with the Watertone foundation. It's a bit lighter in coverage on this side, but they did apply the very same color, and I was a bit nervous about that at first, but it did apply really lovely. This skin foundation is really like skin. It's really like skin. So pretty. And this side, even the Watertone foundation, super lightweight. Like, I don't feel this foundation on either side. I'm gonna set my foundation off camera. I use the HD Skin Foundation on this side of my face. And it's really beautiful. And I use the Makeup Forever Watertone foundation on this side of my face. They're both waterproof, both transfer proof, they're both sweat proof, and they both blurred my pores and applied seamless. So I'm gonna keep these foundations on all day today, and I'll come back later on tonight and show you how it held up on my skin. And so I hope everyone have a really lovely day. I'm gonna run because I'm running a little bit late and I have to take my kids to school, but I'll see you guys later on. After wearing both of these foundations for the entire day today, applied seamless. Me personally, I'm already a fan of the Watertone foundation, and that's what made me curious to this new Makeup Forever HD foundation. Not to mention, I have some of my followers on Instagram and some of my subscribers here as well wanted to see me do a review on this one. So of course, anything you guys want me to do, I'll almost anything I'll review, right? But upon wearing this for the entire day, this is the status of my face. I mean, it's not bad at all. Like, I feel like both of these foundations are lovely, I must say. First, the Watertone foundation is very lightweight, one of my favorite lightweight foundations. But in my experience, the difference is this Makeup Forever Watertone foundation is super lightweight. It goes on very easy. As you see, it have almost the same ingredients as this Makeup Forever HD foundation, but it is lighter in coverage, it is lighter in weight on the skin, it is very easy to blend, and this one does give like a really cool sensation on the skin when you do apply it, opposed to HD Skin Foundation. I feel like this one is thicker in consistency. I used it, I feel like I achieved the same type of coverage from both of them. I feel like they both cover lovely in my experience. Like upon wearing them, the difference is that the Watertone foundation, of course, it stays seamless, and that's why it is one of my favorite foundations. However, the new HD foundation, on the side of my nose, I do have some separation. Let me just zoom in so I can show you. I mean, it isn't bad, but it does look kind of cakey in person. I don't know if it's picking it up clear on camera, but it's opposed on this side where it's still seamless, and like the new Makeup Forever HD foundation, I feel like it did some type of separating. You know, it applied well, it wore really well, it's waterproof, it is smudge proof, and all of that good stuff. But like I said, as far as the cakiness on the side of the nose, I don't like that in foundations. When I do wear them, I do go for foundations that don't have that type of buildup on the side of the nose and that type of area, because I feel like if I blot, then it becomes really cakey, especially for us oily skin girls. I feel like maybe for a dry skin, or maybe even a combination skin girl, will really enjoy this new Makeup Forever HD Skin foundation. However, I feel like for us oily skin girls, the Watertone foundation from Makeup Forever is a better option for us, as that's why I love this one. I really love it, and that's why I wanted to compare them to see, like, did I need this one? So if you're oily like me and you do have this one, Watertone foundation, and you're wondering if you do need this new Makeup Forever HD Skin Finish foundation, you absolutely don't. But I mean, it's your money, so you can get whatever you want. I got them both to see how it wore on my skin, and I wanted to come and just share my experience and how well it wore with you ladies. And like I said, that's the only thing other than the separating. And I feel like if I wore it for a longer, I feel like if I wore it for more than, which probably I probably had this on for probably about 7-8 hours, I feel like if I was to wear this foundation for maybe like 12 hours, it would fall apart. Just in that time, and to have that, I don't know, I really hope it's picking it up, because I don't like stuff like that at all with my foundations. Yeah, but I really hope this video is helpful to someone. If there's anything you'd like to know about these foundations that I didn't mention, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to respond. If you're new here, be sure to click my picture and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.